but it's big. Oh guys, no, it's big. It's big humongo. It's humongo big. Oh God, he's going the absolute wrong way now. Oh God, he's angry. He's pissed. He's angry. Oh, he's going downstream. He's going downstream. He's going downstream.
What is going on, folks? Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. I don't know why I'm that excited, but if you guys are seeing this footage, it's probably because it's worth watching. I am at a spot that I have been to one time before in my life, and that was last year, and I didn't catch shit. But I'm back because I think this place looks really good. I think it has a lot of potential. There's a nice little spillway behind me. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a nice spillway up here, and then it necks down right next to me here again. It is extremely sunny out right now. Even though it's super sunny, it's not very hot, but I can't see. I should probably invest in some of those super cool new Waterland sunglasses, but even though it is really sunny, it's only like a high of 80 degrees today, which is ridiculously nice for the middle of summer. So before we waste too much time, I'm gonna put this camera down, get to cranking before I do anything else. If we catch a couple fish, maybe I'll put a night crawler down there, but for now, we're just gonna crank on them. So let's put this camera down and let's go have some fun.
All right, that was probably shitty enough, like all the rest of my intro, but that's fine. This is by far my favorite crankbait right here. This is a Strike King KVD, I think, something like that, but it's a 1.0, that's all I can tell you. It's a 1.0 in whatever color you like to call that. Oh, I'm excited. This spot looks so good. I could be so wrong, but I'm hoping I'm not. I have a feeling it's not very deep with the way the water is. What? I haven't hit bottom yet, so it's deep enough. It does seem like there's a lot of current up in here though. I don't know if that's gonna help us or hurt us, but it seems like there's quite a bit of current. I might have to move up around the corner a little bit further. I haven't even, oh, here we go. I was about to say, I haven't even hit bottom yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're hitting rocks now, baby. Oh, that's a fish. There we go. Bam. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, he's going down current on me. He's going down current on me. I gotta keep him up here or else I'm gonna be screwed. It's a drum, it's a drum. Hell yeah. Right on that current seam. I'm gonna grab him by the head. Hell yeah, dude. I figured there'd be somebody up there. That was quick. Pretty skinny guy. Doesn't exactly look the healthiest. I'm gonna let him go real quick. See ya. Man, there's some strong current. Maybe I should do a little bit better releases on these fish. But he was sitting, there's kind of, it's hard to explain, but there's a big current coming down through here, as you can probably see. And then there's like another arm of current there that's coming out. And there's kind of an island in between. And these two currents are meeting like right here. And I'm casting in between where it's calm water and like pulling it along this edge. And he actually hit relatively close to our feet. I was hoping that would happen. And I was like 3 casts deep. Just tickling it right atop the rocks. If I'm not feeling the rocks, I lower my rod tip down until I do. And then when I do, I start to raise it up just so I'm just tapping the tops of the rocks. That's kind of the goal with this square bill. But now I'm gonna shut up because that sounded like I was trying to sound like I know what I'm talking about, and I don't. I caught 1 drum. I ain't that guy. 1 damn drum, now you think you're the man, huh? That's all right. No, that's all right. Oh, there we go. That's a fish. And it's very large. Like extremely large. Okay. This is not a snag. Well, it might be a snag. It might be a snagged fish. It's 100% it's a fish. Because now it's moving away. Okay, it's angry. What, I snag a damn turtle? What do I have? Whatever it is very large. And I need to come this way so it doesn't get down that current. If it gets down that current, I'm screwed. So we're gonna work it over here. Try not to put too much pressure on it because this could be a giant flathead. It's kind of fighting like one. It's kind of fighting like one. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And I'm not getting my hopes up because this fish is extremely heavy. And I've got 10-pound braid and 10-pound fluoro, so my hopes are not high. That's all right. We're gonna stay optimistic. I haven't even really budged this fish much, so he's out there in that fast current. I know you guys probably aren't seeing anything right now, but that's because I'm trying to get him to come in this way. He's going up current now, and my heart's racing. It could just be a snagged fish, but at this point, it seems a little bit too big to be just a snagged fish. 10-pound braid, 10-pound fluorocarbon leader on a size 1 crankbait. I'm talking to keep my mind occupied. This is probably extremely painful to listen to, but my heart's racing. My knees are trembling. He's coming up to the surface. He's coming up to the surface. It's right here, guys. It's literally right here. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. It's literally right here. Oh my God, it's something giant. I think it's a flathead. I think it's a big flathead. Oh shit, oh shit. I think it's a big flathead, guys. I don't think it's humongo because this gear is so light, but it's big. Oh guys, no, it's big. It's big humongo. It's humongo big. Don't horse him. Just don't horse him. He's going that way. I don't want him to go that way. I do not want him to go that way. I do not want him to go that way. I do not want him to go that way. Why is he going that way? Oh my God. Please calm down. Please calm down. Please calm down. Oh God, he's going the absolute wrong way now. Oh God, he's angry. He's pissed. He's angry. Oh shit, you guys. Oh my God. I'm sorry, this is probably so hard to listen to, but I'm trying my best to stay focused. He's going the absolute wrong way. I can't have him go that way. Oh God. Oh God, he's going the wrong way, guys. That's so bad. It's a giant catfish. It's so big. It's huge. Oh, he's going downstream. 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 Oh shit, I'm so screwed. I'm gonna lose him. I'm gonna lose him. There's an, oh! Yeah. I just fought that fish for 9.5 minutes. And he did exactly what I knew it was gonna do. And it went downstream and it snapped me off. I couldn't, it's too much current. Look at this current. I tried to keep him over there. I was far over there as I could be, and he just was too big. He was just too big for this rod and this reel and this line. He was just too big. That hurt, man. I feel like I could puke right now. He was just too big. He was just too big for this rod and reel. Just too big. I don't know if you guys saw him. He came up to the surface one time and his ass end came out of the water and it was like super bluish gray colored. I didn't really see it for all that long. It could have been a flathead. In the moment, I was just, man. All I can say is I've got another crankbait tied on and we're gonna keep fishing. My heart's broken, but I've also only been here for 30 minutes, so maybe I can heal it. I have no idea. Let's go. Oh, goodness gracious. I am just at a loss for words, man. It bounced it off a rock and all of a sudden it was tight. I don't know if it was like super crazy giant but it was at least 20 to 30 pounds, something like that. Just by the look that I got at it and by the weight and everything else. I mean, it was so strong. There we go, that's a fish. Bam. Whew. I already feel a little bit better. Not really. But I think this is exactly what I just ordered. It just jumped. Oh, it's a, oh my God, even better. Even freaking better. Get your ass up here, pal. That is a gold eye. That is a golden freaking eye. There is no better big catfish bait than that right there. Here we go. I am not playing no games. If there's fish like that up in here, hopefully there's more than one. And the fish that size will have no problem eating something like this. So we went straight for the head, boys and girls, straight for the head, which sounds really bad. I probably shouldn't say that a few more times, but we're gonna keep it off to the side just a hair, not like crazy. Yeah, I like that. That'll work. Cool. If that gets eaten, we're gonna freak out. Fish on. Fish on. Finally. I say finally, but it's only been like 15, 20 minutes. And it ate it too. What do we got? What do we got? Definitely not like what I lost. Oh, it's a drum. Another drum. You're lucky. This drum right here is lucky. He smashed it, Jesus. But you, sir, or ma'am, however that goes, are lucky. Let me get some pliers, help you out. But you're lucky. But you are lucky because I already caught that gold eye, and I'm still not certain that he's gonna get eaten, but you would have been first in line. So consider yourself lucky, sir, or ma'am, sorry. Bye.
All right, you guys, well, unfortunately we didn't really redeem ourselves with that big ass fish, but still pretty heartbroken about it. But you know, I kind of knew during the fight. I said it like 10 times that light tackle, you know, it's just my odds were, I just was so close. Like I had him right in front of me. Like I could have reached down and touched him. It was just wasn't ready to put his head up. And yeah, I'm still pretty heartbroken about it. But on the bright side, to go from not catching a single thing here to coming back the next time and catching a handful of fish, and clearly there are some large predatorial fish that sit in this spot. So I can't complain. It was a good trip. I sure am leaving feeling defeated, but that's part of fishing, and that's probably part of the reason why I'm going to post this video, is because I don't want anybody to think that, you know, I go fishing one time and I catch, you know, a bunch of fish. And I would say there's probably more times that I go fishing and don't catch a video or catch enough fish to make a video than there are times that I do. So you got to have good and the bad. You can't always catch them all. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave it a like. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You know the deal. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you all in the next video, and hopefully we won't lose any more fish.
He's going downstream. Oh shit, I'm so screwed. I'm gonna lose him. There's, oh God, I feel like I'm about to throw up. But you're lucky. He smashed it, Jesus. But you, sir, or ma'am, however that goes, I already feel a little bit better. Not really.